How to sort by alphabetical order in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can sort by alphabetical order. I mean from A to Z and Z to A. If you are an advanced user, this is not for you. This tutorial is for absolute beginners. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet we have here. In column A, we have names, okay? And the first cell of our name is names. This should be header, okay? Now the trick is I'm going to have to either color it or bold it or do something to make it stand out. Now Excel will understand this is a header, okay? Now once I have identified the header, I'm going to select the entire range where I want to filter out, and then from the home tab, from the editing group, click on this sort and filter, and here I'm going to select A to Z, and our names are filtered by alphabetical order, okay? Now you can do a reverse filter, so home, sort and filter drop down, and Z to A, and you can see we just filtered out by alphabetical order. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. And remember to identify and highlight your header. Otherwise, it will get mixed with the rest of the text. Thank you. Thanks for watching.